I just came back from SIIA, and my partner, even before I was back home, said to me, "Hey, you sound different. You sound a lot calmer. You sound a lot more grounded. What happened to you?" So it's really had an impact on my relationships. It's had an impact on my business. I'm an entrepreneur, and I'm just a lot more intentional when I meet with people, a lot more powerful with my words, with my expressions, and I just understand human interaction at a whole different level, understand myself at a whole different level, and it's just been total transformation. So I would just continue the journey. I will continue the journey, and really advise to anyone out there who's thinking I can be better, I can show up stronger, I can show up a little bit more in different situations. I think being with Niurka is really going to help you down your path to wherever you may want to go.